A climatology of tropical cyclone activity in Alabama. The purpose of this research was to find out the threat hurricanes and cyclones pose to the state of Alabama. The researchers also studied if the frequency of the cyclones had any connection to places such as the North Atlantic Basin. The authors performed this research to get a better understanding of the cyclone developments in Alabama. The researchers' hypothesis was that if a hurricane or cyclone occurred in the North Atlantic Basin, then a hurricane or cyclone would similarly occur in Alabama. The researchers hypothesized that the frequency of the cyclones in the North Atlantic Basin would correlate with the frequency in Alabama. Between the years of 1886 and 1999, a total of 72 tropical cyclones devastated Alabama. All of these cyclones occurred between the months of May and October. The authors cataloged the cyclones based on Greenwich Mean Time, a system based around 6-hour intervals. Cyclones registering above 6 hours were categorized as being 12 hours. The researchers found that the highest percentage of cyclones in Alabama originated from the Atlantic Ocean. Following in order is the Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and Pacific Ocean. The authors' data suggested that there was very little correlation between the North Atlantic Basin and Alabama. For example, the cyclone annual frequency in Alabama decreased from 0.83 to 0.45. During this time, however, the North Atlantic Basin trends actually increased from 7.31 to 1952, showing that there was little relation between the two of them. The researchers also discovered that the average return rate of the cyclones was 1.58 years, and that the month in which the most storms appeared was September. The author concluded that the connection between the hurricane-cyclone frequency between the North Atlantic Basin and Alabama was weak.
Created using Powtoon.